Imagine a single food packed with more protein than eggs, more iron than spinach, brimming with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory power. This isn't science fiction, this is spirulina. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is one of nature's most nutrient-dense gifts. For centuries, this humble organism has nourished populations, offering incredible health benefits. Today, science confirms what ancient civilizations knew all along. Spirulina is a true superfood. Ready to unlock your health potential? Join me as we explore the remarkable world of spirulina. Discover how this tiny algae can fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and transform your life. Don't let the word algae fool you. Spirulina is a true marvel of nature. Spirulina is no ordinary pond scum. It's a nutrient-dense superfood that has been cherished for centuries. This microscopic powerhouse thrives in warm, alkaline waters, soaking up sunshine and converting it into a treasure trove of nutrients. Rich in protein, vitamins and minerals, it's a complete package. For centuries, spirulina served as a dietary staple for ancient civilizations. It was revered for its health benefits and nutritional value. The Aztecs harvested it from Lake Texcoco, incorporating it into their daily diet and even using it as a form of currency. Meanwhile, tribes near Africa's Lake Chad relied on its nourishment, recognizing its ability to sustain them through harsh conditions. Today, spirulina is cultivated worldwide, its incredible properties recognized by health enthusiasts and scientists alike. It's used in everything from smoothies to supplements. More than just a food source, spirulina represents a sustainable solution for our planet. Its cultivation requires less water and land compared to traditional crops. It grows quickly, requires minimal resources, and can even help clean up environmental pollutants. This makes it an eco-friendly choice for the future. Now, that's a superfood with a conscience. Whether you're looking to boost your health or support sustainable practices, spirulina is a modern marvel worth exploring. Just a small daily dose of spirulina delivers a concentrated burst of essential nutrients, making it an easy addition to your diet. Gram for gram, it puts other protein sources to shame, boasting all 9 essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. That's right, it's a complete protein, perfect for vegans, vegetarians, and meat eaters alike. Whether you're on a plant-based diet or not, spirulina fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. But wait, there's more. Spirulina is a vitamin and mineral goldmine, packed with nutrients that support overall well-being. It offers a rich supply of B vitamins for energy, iron for healthy blood, and a host of other essential nutrients. And let's not forget magnesium, which is vital for muscle function and relaxation, making it a great supplement for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. And don't forget about the antioxidants like phycocyanin, which gives spirulina its vibrant blue-green hue and fight damaging free radicals, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. With every serving of spirulina, you're nourishing your body with the building blocks for optimal health and vitality, ensuring you feel your best every day. It's like giving your cells a high five, boosting your energy and overall well-being. Section 4. Unleash your inner superhuman spirulina's health benefits. Ready to experience the spirulina difference? This superfood is packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Regular consumption can unleash a cascade of health benefits, making it a must-have in your daily routine. Feel your energy levels soar as spirulina combats fatigue and boosts your metabolism, giving you the stamina to power through your day. Say goodbye to inflammation as its potent anti-inflammatory properties soothe your body from within. Want a sharper mind? Spirulina has you covered. Spirulina's unique blend of nutrients supports brain health, enhancing memory and focus, so you can stay sharp and productive. It even promotes a balanced mood, helping you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and a positive outlook. And let's not forget about your outer glow. Spirulina's benefits extend beyond just internal health. Spirulina's antioxidant power extends to your skin, protecting it from environmental damage and promoting a youthful complexion that radiates vitality. Get ready to radiate health from the inside out. Embrace the spirulina lifestyle and unlock your full potential. Section 5, backed by science, proven by results. The amazing benefits of spirulina aren't just anecdotal. Scientific research continues to validate its incredible potential. Studies show that spirulina can help lower bad cholesterol, boosting heart health. Its immune-boosting properties enhance your body's natural defenses, keeping you resilient against illness. Furthermore, research suggests that spirulina can aid in detoxification, helping your body eliminate harmful toxins. It's like a natural cleanse for your system, promoting overall well-being. From ancient wisdom to modern science, the evidence is clear. Spirulina is a game-changer for your health. It's time to experience the transformative power of this incredible superfood. Section 6. Your journey to optimal health begins now. Ready to embark on your spirulina journey? Incorporating it into your daily routine is easier than you think. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie for a vibrant boost. Sprinkle it on salads for a nutritional punch. Mix it into energy balls for a healthy snack. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different ways to enjoy spirulina's unique flavor and reap its incredible benefits. Don't wait for a health scare to take charge of your well-being. Start your spirulina journey today and unlock the ultimate superfood power within you.